Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram map option not showing on your devices. So many of the users have reported that they cannot see the map option on the chats option. So if you are also looking for what is the reason that map is not showing on Instagram, then I will show you what to do. So the very first method, what you need to do is to check whether your Instagram app is updated or not. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and here you have to update your Instagram if there is any update available. So simply click on update option and update your Instagram app to the latest version. You just have to wait for a few minutes, and once your app is updated, now check if the map option is available or not. So after the app is installed completely, now check if the map option is updated or not. If not, the second thing is you have to check whether location is enabled or not. So here you have to go and check whether your location is enabled or not. As you can see, location, if it is disabled, you have to enable the location and then check if the map option is visible or not. If not, the next thing what you need to do is just hold the Instagram icon over here, then go to the app info, and here go to the permissions and then check whether location is allowed or not. This is an important step, so don't forget to allow the location on Instagram. If it is not allowed, we have to allow the location option, and after that check if map option is showing or not. If still you facing the same issue, then what you need to do is contact or take help from the support team. So what you need to do, open Instagram app, now go below, and here you have to click on help option. Now click on report a problem, then click on report problem, then click on include and continue, and here you have to explain everything that you are coming across. If you have any screenshot or so ever, you can easily upload it from here, and after that explaining whatever the issue you are coming across, then click on send option and wait for some time until you get any response from the support team. So by this way you can easily fix the problem of map option not showing on Instagram app. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.